So this is my mean chat application or small chat application. To so what I had to do to get this started was I had to install Node, Mongo, and Git, which are all from external websites. And then I had to install this other thing called Yeoman, and I installed that in the command prompt using npm install. What Yeoman does is it allows us to quickly get started by providing us with generators that can create starter templates. It also helps set up some of the links between some or all of the components in the mean stack without us having to do it, which is really helpful. Then I also had to set up an app with a generator and a Git repository. And so once I got everything installed, I had to access the server. Here's the path to get to the server. Then once I got the server up, I had to connect it to the Mongo shell. And here's the path to the Mongo shell. Then how I knew it was set up was if you go back to the server command prompt, if you scroll down and then you look for right here, and it says connection accepted to this port, and that's how you know it's up and running. And to actually start the chat application, I had to come over and create a third. I'd open a third command prompt, and then I just did npm start, and then that had it up and running. And to show you it working, we have me here, Nate. I'm just gonna say yo. And if we open a new window, which I've already done, and we have Matt here, Matt can say what's up. And yeah, I guess I can show you some of the code too. Oh, whoops, wrong one. And while this is opening, I can discuss the issues I had. I didn't really have any issues. Probably the biggest issue I had was figuring out what I need to code. And I found this some guy on YouTube was very nice and did a tutorial and walked us through everything we needed. And so that's the server code package. But yeah, so really the only issue I had was just getting the code. Actually setting everything up in the command prompts was pretty easy and straightforward. And this is the one that actually, when you click on this, it'll open a new chat tab. So this is really like the meat and beans of everything. Yep. And get a third person on this. I'll do Mike. And then Mike can say, hey. So we got Mike, Matt, and Nate in here. So an example when a developer would use the mean stack might be in developing a messaging app, kind of like this one. Or this is an app, but same thing. Mean stack was developed in a single language, which is JavaScript. It's easy to learn and offers a massive library of functions to work with, and it provides faster speed and usability. The list goes on. There's really no downside using mean stack. In every way, it's beneficial to the user and their project they're trying to do. And then a developer or company might choose traditional services over cloud-based services because the users are given physical control over their server, and therefore no third party has access to the information on the server. There's no need to rely on an internet connection for access to data, and what it really comes down to is determining which form of service fits the developer or company better.